How to use MT5 and start trading. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually download MT5 from your Taurex profile. On this left hand side here, click on MT5 and you want to download that for Windows. You can see the login to your trading accounts as well by clicking on trading accounts, go into account summary, and you'll be able to see your login, which is here, and your password, and you're going to input that into MT5. So once you've actually downloaded the app onto MT5, it will look a little bit like this. And then what you're going to want to do is click login to trade account, and you want to copy over those details from your Taurex profile into the right trading account. Click OK. And now you can see I'm logged into the account with the balance showing at the bottom here. Now in terms of actually exploring the platform, once you've logged in, several windows will start appearing on your screen, but don't worry, I'll show you exactly what they are. The market watch window in this left hand corner is basically all the pairs that you can trade, or assets or stocks that you can trade with Taurex. Now if you can't see them all, right click, make sure you click here show all, and that will show all of them, not just the set ones that MT5 are trying to show you. Within this you'll be able to see things like the bid, the ask, the spread. You can actually make this bigger or smaller as well. You better see the spreads, and you can customize this as well. If you right click again, right click will be your best friend when it comes to MetaTrader. If you go down here and you go down to columns, you can see there's a whole host of options that you can actually customize and you can get rid of. Let's say I don't want the daily change, you click that and it will get rid of it. Now the data window might not show, and if things aren't showing that you want them to, if you go over to view, again you can customize what you can and can't see. So I could get rid of the market watch if I didn't want to see it, and I can add it back. The data window is here as well. You can see it's not ticked. So here's the data window. Again, you can customize it to make it look bigger or smaller, whatever you want to do. And it will basically show the market that you've got loaded up. Let's say, for example, I've got Bitcoin loaded up. And it will tell you all the details that you need to know. Open price, high, low, close price, volume, etc. Now the chart window, which is here, that's going to show you the current pair that you're using at the moment. So in order to get the right pair on, all you got to do is just click and drag. So let's say, for example, I wanted to have Ethereum on there. I can just click and drag that over. And also, if you click this button here, you can customize the window, and I could have more than one chart showing. Again, this is all just personal preference. Let's say I wanted XRP as well. And you can customize that and make it look as big or small as you want and have as many markets as there as you want. But if you want to swap them over, all you have to do is literally just click and drag them over. Now the terminal window is at the bottom, and this is where you'll see the details of your actual trades and your trading account as well. Again, you can make that bigger or smaller. In this trade here, you'll see your balance, your equity, and your free margin. And if you were to place a trade, it would pop up here as well. And in the next video, we'll show you actually how you can place a trade on MT5. Again, it's very, very easy. Exposure, you can see the history, any news, your current mail that's come into your MT5 as well. And all of these options down here, you can explore as you wish. That's how you actually explore the MT5 platform in really simple terms. Just a top tip for you. Again, if you're ever stuck, right click will always save you. When you right click, you'll be able to do most things on here.